Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. I hope everyone had a great Christmas with your loved ones. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking. I hope you like this video enough to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future uploads. I'm a bit late in posting this video, so you guys will see me wrap gifts, do some cleaning. I'll be making a simple charcuterie board because I filmed this video on the 25th of December and we're going to celebrate with some friends. So I'll show you a beautiful gift I got from my good friend for Christmas and also a small Walmart haul. So stay tuned. Over here I'm just wrapping some gifts for my friend's daughter. She's 4 years old. They invited us over to celebrate Christmas. So here I finished wrapping. I'm just putting everything in a bag so it could be ready for when we leave. These are just bags that I keep for the girls because they're in high school, so obviously they don't take lunch boxes. So now I'm just cleaning my counter from the hot chocolate that I made earlier, and also I'm going to clean the counters on the stove because I'm going to start my charcuterie board and I just want a clean slate. Okay, so on my stove I'm using Barkeeper's Friend multi-purpose cooktop cleaner, and I really love this cleaner. Next, I'm using the Cooktop Surface Cleaner Glass Ceramic from the brand Attitude, and this one is natural, ecological, biodegradable, and non-toxic. So this is great when you have small kids or when you have pets. I'll link it down below for you guys. And then I just go back and wipe with paper towels, because when you cook on the stovetop, after, you guys could smell like the chemicals. So I always like to go back with that and just dry everything out. And right now I'm just using some wet wipes for the stove. It didn't do a really great job, so next time I'm not going to use that, but I just wanted to try it because I was kind of like speed cleaning because I was leaving the house. Okay, so I noticed that my microwave was so dirty, you guys. So right now I just put some hot water, some white vinegar, and some Dawn soap. I wanted to use the water with the lemon, but I didn't have any more lemons. I find that works better. Okay, so right now I'm using the Wayman stainless steel cleaner and polish. I use it on my fridge, on my toaster, and on my microwave, and I really do love the way that it polishes the appliances. It makes them shiny. I really love that. Okay, so it was time for the charcuterie board. I love making these for birthday parties, for pool parties, or just get-togethers with friends and family. For those of you who know me, know that I love cooking and love being creative in the kitchen. The reason why I didn't do it on a board was because I was taking it with me in the car, so I felt like a plastic platter was the better choice. I'll write everything I used for this platter down below. Okay, so the charcuterie board is done. Look at all those nice colors. Okay guys, so this was after the party. I just wanted to show you what my friend got for me. She got me this nice bathroom set. It comes with the vanity tray with a soap dispenser and with a garbage. Okay guys, so on to the Walmart haul. This is the next day. I got my daughter a feather pillow. She really wanted one. And then I got her a cup. It's an avocado. It's so cute. And then I got this cute mug from my friend from Texas, which I love a lot. Her name is Robin. It says Glama, a woman whose children have had children, but she is far too young, gorgeous, and glamorous to be called grandma. And inside it says TGIF, this grandma is fabulous. I just found it so cute and I want to send that to her. And then I also got a pack of chicken, a pack of these pastries, and then I found these on clearance. It's a C and a P, my daughter's name. Okay, next I got a charcoal mouthwash and toothpaste and toothbrush that my daughter really wanted to try. All the gift box sets were half off. Next I got a sink strainer, and then I just got some antiperspirant. Next I got a wiper blade for the car. Then I got some of this Swiss cheese. Next I got an air freshener for the car. And then I got some cat food. This is her favorite one, the salmon. And then I got this spatula. It's so cute. It says have a lazy day. This was also on clearance for Christmas, but I found it so cute I had to get it. So next I got some toys for my friend's daughter. It's her birthday party in a few days. Next we got some of these stuffed animals for my daughter. Yes, she's turning 14, but she just loved this, and this was on clearance for Christmas. And last but not least, we got some chocolates, some chips, and some cereal. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!